Is this 4-tier coffee bar slash baker's rack from Korfile going to be worth it for your home? Let's find out. Starting off with the dimensions, you do have a length of 14 inches at the bottom here, a width of about 20 inches, and then the total height is going to be 49 inches. There is going to be a 13-inch gap between the second and third tier here, and then also the third and fourth, so they have the same inch gap. From the first to second tier, there is a larger one, and that is going to be 17 inches, so from the top piece here all the way to the second piece, which is great because it gives you a lot more space for those larger items such as microwaves. It also does come with 8 hooks as well, so you can hang your mugs on these or even your cookware, just like the ones that have the hole in them, so you can easily hang them up like this. When it came to assembly, it took me about an hour, but really simple. The instructions were very clear on how to put everything together. Really sturdy material as well, and it also does have some extra support on the sides, which I really do like, so nothing's going to be moving around. It keeps it in place. But overall, if you are looking for something like this, a baker's rack, coffee rack for your home, I would definitely recommend this one. You can fit pretty much anything on here in your kitchen, especially those big items like microwaves. You can put a microwave here at the top here on that second tier, or even fit it down here in the third tier. All the space you need for mugs, appliances, even spices you can put at the top here. You can definitely pack a lot into here, which I love, and it's also great for organization. So yeah, definitely would recommend this.